welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different review. This time it's gonna be something new for me. So this time I have MODELONES acrylic powder kit, and it comes in this beautiful box. As you guys can see, it looks really nice. So you will get 12 different colors, and they're all colorful and pretty. I also got this, which is their acrylic powder with liquid kit. So you get this beautiful bag that I really like, and then you get some acrylic powder, and then this is the white color. You will get the clear color. You will get the acrylic liquid, which is 15 ml, 1.7 float ounce. And you also get a cover pink powder, these right here, and a brush, and that's all you get in this acrylic powder with liquid kit. So you guys, the way I'm gonna do this review, I'm just gonna swatch the color ones. I'm not gonna use this because I'm not gonna do this on my nails. I've been having a lot of issues with asthma, so I don't really want to smell this because it's probably gonna make me sick. So the way I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna swatch each color for you guys. I'm also not a professional, just keep that in mind. I like to play with, you know, different nail products, and I just want to do this, but I'm gonna try to do it fast so I don't have to smell it for a long time. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna swatch it in a fake nail. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I also have a 10% off that I'm gonna leave for you guys for the 12 color acrylic powder. I'm gonna leave it right here. That way you guys can use it. Now these are from Amazon, so I will leave the link for each product. I also have a 10% that I'm gonna leave for the liquid and acrylic powder kit. I'm gonna leave it right here for you guys. So yeah, you guys, that's all I'm gonna do today. I hope you guys like this review, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. So let's get started. Guys, so I'm done swatching all the colors. I'm just gonna show you how my fake nails look. They look really pretty. Although I didn't even buff or did anything to my swatches, they still look good with the top coat. So I added some gel top coat and cure it, and I'm gonna show you how the colors look. So here's the first colors. And like I said, it's just top coat and they already look really beautiful. And I told you guys I'm not a professional, but I also just started playing a little bit with acrylics, and I'm sure I can do a nail, but I didn't want to, like, you know, take too long. Also, I told you I'm having a little bit of problem with asthma, so this the liquid is very strong, so I really don't want to play with this too much right now. But the colors are beautiful. These right here glow in the dark, and I'm gonna try to show you guys, but I will show you in a minute. And then I have a brown and a black color, and as you guys can see, they look pretty good. So overall, I would say these colors are really pretty, especially if you know more about acrylics. You probably won't have any issue with the acrylics. So these are all the colors. I did not swatch the ones that came in the kit of the liquid kit, but they're just basic colors, so probably like for a French manicure. So yeah, you guys, let me just go ahead and grab a lamp so I can show you how these glow in the dark. So here I have just a lamp, and this is just a regular UV LED lamp, and that's how they glow. This one glows really nicely. This one and this one. I would say all the neon colors especially. So yeah, you guys, these are all the colors from that 12 color set. I think they look beautiful. So I'm gonna leave all the information for you guys, where you guys can find them and all that good stuff. I hope you guys like this review, and I'm just gonna go ahead and say, like this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, you guys.